Introducing the stunning 2019 Ford Focus Titanium 5-door 1.0 Ecoboost 125 in blue. Packed with top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and safety systems like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. This hatchback combines style, comfort, and cutting-edge technology for an unforgettable driving experience. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details on this exceptional vehicle.